Odds question of chapter mensuration. Okay. In a cylindrical pipe, question number 1 is, in a cylindrical pipe shown in the figure, the area of the surfaces are given. Find the radius and height of the cylinder. The area of circular end is 154 square unit and curved surface area is 880 square unit. Now the area of circle is given 154 square unit. Area of circle means pi r square equal to 154. Now r square equal to 154 divided by pi. It means divided by 22 and multiplied by 7. Now cancel 7 times. Then the radius equal to under root 7 into 7. That is 7 unit. 7 units. And the height 880 square unit. It means this is a curved surface area. It means CSA equal to 880 square units. The formula of CSA is 2 pi RH equal to 880. Now put the values. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 7 into height equal to 880. 7 cancel. And height equal to 880 divided by 2 into 22. 22 से cancel करेंगे 40. It means it is 20 units. It means height is 20 units and radius 7 units. Question number 2 is, the length of a room is 50% more than its breadth. Length of a room is 50%. It means breadth से 50% ज़्यादा है. Okay. The cost of carpeting the room at the rate of 38.50 meter square is rupees 924. And the cost of painting the walls at the rate of rupees 5.50 per meter square is 1320. Find the dimensions of the room. Dimensions of the room is length, breadth and height. The carpeting the room means area of the base. It means length into breadth, given that 924 divided by 38.50. Question number 2. Let the breadth equal to x. Then the length equal to x plus 50% of x. It means 50% of x means x by 2, just half. 50% means half. This will be 3x by 2. 2 into x, 2x plus x, 3x by 2. Now the area of floor equal to the total cost 924 divided by 38.50. Okay. Now cancel and solve. You will get 24 square meter. Okay. The area of the room means length into breadth equal to 24. X into 3x by 2 equal to 24. Now solve. X square equal to 2 into 24 by 3. It is the 16. Then x equal to 4 meter. Okay. X equal to 4 meter means breadth equal to 4 meter and length equal to 3x by 2. It means 3 into 4 by 2. It is 6 meter. Okay. Now the cost of painting the walls. The formula of cost of painting the walls means area of walls. Area of 4 walls equal to, the cost is 1320 divided by 5.50. You can solve. 0 cancel and cancel by 5, 11. 120, 5 into 2. Area of 4 walls is 240 square meter. The formula of area of 4 walls is 2 times L plus B into H. Okay. It means 2LB 2BH. Put the values of L and B. 6 plus 4 equal to 240. Height equal to 240 divided by 6 plus 4 10. 10 into 2 20. Height equal to 12 meter. Okay, these are the dimensions of a room. Length equal to 6 meter, breadth 4 meter and height is 12 meter. Okay.